Right, ma. Now we are looking at 41 to 45. The line graph shows the production of four different types of items by three companies. Ma. Four different types of items by three companies: Havels, Orient, and Anchor. Read the data carefully and answer the following questions. Ma. Here, ma, 41 is talking about bulbs. Ma. Bulbs produced by Havels and Orient together. Havels and Orient together are how many more or less than the AC produced by Havels and Anchor? Ma. Bulbs Havels and Orient ma. Bulbs Havels blue color one ma 2000 Orient 3000 ma. Nothing but ma 5000 and AC Havels and Anchor AC Havels 48 Anchor 24 ma 48 24 ma 48 68 72 it is ma more how much more ma 2200 more 2200 more nothing but ma option E ma option E right ma next 42 ma what is the ratio of the question asking ma ratio what is the ratio of the total number of items produced by Havels to the total number of items produced by Anchor ma question asking ma ratio of Havels to Anchor ma Havels nothing but ma blue one ma blue one diamond shape ma Havels ma so 2 plus 42 ma 62 68 78 78 11 8 to 12 6 ma 12600 to Anchor ma triangle model ma 42 plus 16 ma 58 58 88 96 96 10,000 12,000 ma 12,000 anyway ma double zeros cancel we can cancel ma 6 table 6 2 6 1 6 20s 21 is to 20 ma nothing but option E ma 21 is 20 next AC and heater together produced by Havels are what percent of here ma are what percent of when are what percent of ma are term by of term into ma AC and heater together by Havels ma Havels nothing but ma blue one AC 48 and heater 16 ma 48 and 16 ma together 58 64 are what percent of bulb and heater produced by Anchor nothing but ma triangle one bulb 42 heater 38 42 38 by 8000 percentage ma into her ma simply by looking also we can say ma 80% ma 8 table ma simply ma so 80 ma 8 10% 8 ma 8 times 80 percentage option C option C next ma 44 what is the average of all four types of items produced by Orient ma Orient average asma Orient ma orange one 3 plus 12 ma 42 48 68 68 70 plus 3 ma 10,000 10,000 by 4 10,000 by 4 nothing but for 25 25 ma next 45 what is the difference between the bulb fan AC together produced by Havels bulb fan AC ma Havels nothing but ma blue one 2000 42 62 62 7 11,000 ma and heater is with Havels and heater produced by Orient and Anchor ma heater ma Orient and Anchor Orient orange one ma 26 Anchor 38 ma 58 64 64 we requirement difference ma 7 ma 3 4,600 option A ma 4,600 right ma next a compound interest of 184.5 is obtained 184.5 obtained when x plus 700 is invested at 10% per annum for 1 year interest being compounding half yearly ma. So yearly 10% ma when or half yearly ma, it will become 5% ma. For 6 months 5% ma we learned that compound interest already so 5 plus 5 and 0.25 ma 5% of 5 ma so point overall ma 10.25% ma so the compound interest will be 10.25 percentage of x plus 700 this thing is equal to how much we're saying ma 184.5 184.5 ma. 10.25% of x plus 700 is 184.5 ma. So then question asking what about x value ma? So nearly 10% value 184 like that ma. That means entire value, this entire value nearly 800, 1800 ma. Nearly 1800 will be there nearly ma. So as per that ma, if it is 1800 means this should be 1100 such kind ma. So first option not suitable. Second option ma, if it is 1100, 18 will becomes, just once check that ma satisfy the condition or not ma. 10% ma 1800 lo 10% ma 180, 0.25 percentage ma 0.25% ma in 1800 ma 1 percentage is 18, 0.25 1 fourth ma 4.25 only, nothing but 184.5 ma satisfying ma. So obviously option B ma, option B roughly we can guess it ma. Next 47, if Jasprit and Bumrah can bowl, Jasprit Bumrah can bowl 8 different types of balls, then in how many ways can he bowl 6 different types? He can entirely play my 8. In that we want 6 different. Nothing but we can arrange them in my 8p6 ways. But the NPR form n factorial by n minus r factorial. So that means nothing but 8 factorial by 8 minus 6 2 factor. 8 factor value 4320 by 2. 4320 lo half nothing but 20160 ma. Option C. 20160 ma. Option C. Next 48 ma. Breadth of the rectangle is 3/4 of length ma. Breadth is 3/4 of length. Area of rectangle is 90 ma. So area of rectangle form length into breadth ma. Length is L only ma. Breadth is 3/4 of length. This equals to, he was saying ma, 972. 324 into 2 ma, 324 into 2 nothing but 6, 324 3/4 of length ma, 324 into 4 ma, 324 is nothing but 1296 ma. 1296 is nothing but 36 square ma. So L square is 36 ma, L will be 30. If L square is 1296 ma, L will be 36. If L is 36 ma, breadth will be 3/4, nothing but 27. We got L as well as B, but the question asking ma, diameter of the circle is 1 centimeter lesser than the length, nothing but 35. Then what is the area of circle ma? Area of circle ma pi r square. So 22 by 7 into 35 into 35. 20 by 7 into 35 into 35 ma. So because diameter is 1 centimeter, sorry ma, diameter is 1 centimeter less ma, that means nothing but diameter 35. This is my diameter, sorry ma. So it is diameter ma 35, but we require radius for nothing but by 2 ma. By 2, 2 11s, 7 5 ma. Anyway ma, we are doing by 2. Definitely answer lo 0.5 into the ma. 0.5 ante 3 options are indicating ma. 0.5 ma. Think roughly ma. Don't clear ma. So 35 into 5 ma 175. 175 10 times 1750 plus money to ma 1900 ma nearly. 1900 off ma 950 nearly. So obviously option E. Don't calculate my exact one, roughly estimate 962.5. Next. A alone and B alone can finish the work in 36 and 30 days respectively. B alone started the work, left after 9 days. Remaining work was completed by A alone. Find the number of taken days by A ma. So A can finish the work in ma 36 days. B can finish the work in ma 30 days. So 36 and 30 LCM ma 180. So let us assume ma total work is 180 units. Per day he can do 5, per day he can do 6, but B worked for 9 days. So out of every day 6 in 9 days 9 6 54 units already finished. 180 low 54 finished but the balance will be there 126. The 126 was doing by A in how many days so 126 by 5, nothing but 25 1 balance 25 1 by 5, nothing but option A option A 25 1 by 5 Next, 47% people like pastries, 58% people like chocolates, and 29% people like both pastries and chocolates. What percent of people neither pastries nor like So always my entire will be 100% pastries, chocolates First we should write both. Both 29% people like both. Pastries 47% out of 47% we got already 29% but the balance 18. Chocolates 58. In this circle we should write 58 but already 29 is there balance 29. It is entirely like people ma. It is entirely like people. And ma 58, 68, 76% people are like. That means entirely 100% ma. 76% people like chess, and obviously balance 24% people does not like anyone ma. 24, but not there ma, none of these. 24 ma, not there, none of these. Next, 51 ma. A shopkeeper gives one shirt free on the purchase of three shirts. Whenever he purchased three shirts, he was getting one shirt free. An additional 20 percentage discount. What is overall discount percent given? Let us assume one shirt price. Let us assume one shirt price. Let us assume 100 rupees. What is the three shirts price? 300. He was giving 300 rupees, but he was getting how many shirts? Four shirts. That means obviously 400 worth item he was getting. He was giving three shirts price money, but he was getting four shirts. Obviously 400 worth he was getting. And one more, in this money he was getting 20% discount also. That is, he was not giving 300 also. In that 20% discount, nothing but 60 rupees discount. So he was giving 240 rupees only, but getting the items worth is 400 rupees ma. So 400 worth ki we are paying only 240. That means how much discount he was getting ma? Difference 160 discount we got on 400 to get percent ma into 100. Nothing but 40 percentage. 40 percentage. Option B ma. Option B ma, 40 percentage. Next. Mohit covers a certain distance in 17 minutes and Manik cover the same distance in 12 minutes ma. So times given ma. So Mohit and Mohit and Manik ma, their timings ratio ma 17 is to 12, because both are covering same distance only ma. Then what is the speeds ratio becomes ma? 12 is to 17, because speed is inverse to the time ma. And difference between the speed of Monik and Mahit is 10. The difference between the speeds is 10. What is the difference ma? 5 parts is equals to 10. Then one part will be 2. So that means speed is 34. Speed is 24. But question asking, find the distance traveled by Manik, second candidate, in 2 hours ma. In 2 hours, how much distance ma? 34 meters per minute. But 2 hours and 120 minutes. So distance equals to 34 into 120 minutes ma. 34 into 120 ma, 0, 12 4 48, 436, 4 into 4080. 4080 ma, option D. Option D ma, 4080. Next. Ratio of total rivers to total lakes. Rivers to lakes ratio 3 is to 7, and ratio of rivers to ponds is 7 is to 1. Rivers to ponds is 7 is to 5. 7 is to 5. Number of lakes in India are what percent of the ponds in India ma? Is are what percent of, are by of it ma. So lakes by ponds ma. Question asking lakes by ponds into 100 ma. Lakes by ponds ma. So make the, first of all make the ratios ma. Here ma, in both the cases ma, the common term is rivers. Rivers in both the cases ma. First of all make the rivers equal ma. 7 3. 3 into 7 ma, 21. Make both to 21 ma. Multiply 7. Multiply 7. That means it is 21 49. To make 21 ma, into 3 into 3. 15 21. So simply reverse 21, lakes 49, ponds 15. But we require lakes by ponds. Lakes by ponds and 49 by 15 ma. We require 49 by 15 into 100. 5 3s, 5 20s ma. Options are in fractional format ma. 49 2s ma, 98. 980 by 3. Nothing but ma, option B ma. Option B ma, 980 by 3. Next, 54. Average of present ages of A and B 31 years, more than the difference between the present age. Average of present age of A and B ma, A plus B average nothing but A plus B by 2 is more than the 31 years, more than the difference between their present age ma. It is more than difference of A minus B. This is 31 ma. He was saying that is 31 ma. And one more condition ma. Ratio of age of A 9 years ago, age of B 2 years ago ma. So A age A minus 9 is to B minus 2. This ratio is 8 is to 7 ma. Then question asking find the percentage of A. What about ma? Percentage of A ma. We require find the percentage of A ma. Just ma go through option verification on normal also we can get ma by taking my 8x 7x by substituting we can get the answer ma. Otherwise ma we can go through one by one option verification ma. Which option will satisfy the condition right ma. As per first option ma question asking percentage of A ma. If A is 37 ma 9 years back 9 years back ma 28 9 years back but 28 pa. So 8 parts 28 one part we can't split pa. So leave this. Go for next. 45 9 years back pa. 36 8 parts 36 pa. So we can't get clear value. Leave this. 49 present 40 9 years back 40 8 parts 40 we can split that pa. If 8 parts 40 and one party is 5 5 sevens 35. So 35 ma. When it is ma 2 years back 35 present B will be 37 ma. So A 49 B 37. Shall we see now whether the condition will satisfy or not ma. 49 plus 37 ma and the 17 86 by 2 and 43 minus difference of them 49 37 difference ma 12 43 minus 12 ma 31 satisfying the condition. Obviously option C ma. Option C is your answer right ma. Next 55 train A faster of length 340 meters crosses train B slower traveling at a speed of 18 meter per second in direction in opposite direction in 10 seconds pa. 10 seconds pa. These two trains cross each other in 25 seconds when running in same direction ma. Find the length of the second train ma. What about ma second train length ma. From the first clue ma here ma whenever traveling opposite direction ma they are taking 10 seconds to cross each other ma. Okay, whenever traveling in same direction ma they are taking about 25 seconds to cross ma. So in both the cases ma time different will be there but speed is constant. Sorry, distance is constant ma because there are also two trains here also. Whenever distance are equal ma speed into time. When in opposite direction ma speeds we should add. Faster speed we don't know ma but traveling it's 18 meter per second no slower speed given ma. So faster we don't know slower speed is 18. Time ma in opposite direction ma 10 seconds. Here faster minus 18 time ma 25 seconds 25 seconds ma. So from this ma you will get the faster train ma speed you will get ma. Faster train speed you will get ma. From this here ma 5 2s 5 5s 2f ma 5f minus 2f ma 3f 18 5s ma 90 90 minus 36 ma. So 90 it is ma 5f minus 2f ma 18 5s are 90 plus 36 ma 126. Faster train speed is ma 42 meter per second. But question asking ma what is the length of the second train ma. Length of second train ma. You can take the first situation or second situation anyone to you can take it ma. So length of second ma basically distance ma speed into time. We know one train length is 340 ma. Second train we don't know. Both are driving both are running in opposite direction ma. Speeds we should add that ma. So 42 plus 18 ma 60 60 into opposite direction ma 10 seconds ma 60 into 10 ma 600 600 minus 340 ma nothing but ma 260 ma 260 option D ma 260 meters 260 meters ma. Next otherwise we can move on one by one option verification also. 56 to 60 ma number series questions ma. 341 363 348 370 355 377 362. Here ma alternate plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 but question mark in the next one plus 7 plus 7. Here also plus 7 ma. 377 plus 7 ma, nothing but 384. Option D ma. Option D ma, 384. 14 by 3, 8, 14, 40 and 65 ma. Here ma, if you observe carefully ma, 8 now 14 by 3 fraction is ma. 14 by 3 nothing but ma, like 3 4. But here ma number is ma 8 ma. So definitely 3 to cancel అయ్యే విధంగా రాసుకోమా. Definitely with 3 we can cancel ma. So 3 we can cancel in ma 1.5. In 1.5 times ma 1.5 table 2 times. But if you observe carefully, that is into 1.5. If you make it into 1.5, 1.5 2 times, 2 sevens are. But we are having 8 ma. So plus 1 into 1.5 plus 1. Here 8 into 1.5 ma, 12 plus 2. So 1.5 plus 1, 1.5 plus 2. Obviously, it should be 1.5 plus 3. 14 into 1.5 ma, 21 plus 3 ma, 24. Option B. 24 ma, option B. Next. 113, 114, 106, 133, 69. Here ma 113, 114 ma, plus 1 minus 8 plus 27 31 plus minus 64. Nothing but ma cubes alternate ma, plus minus next should be plus 5 cube ma 125. So 189 ma 194, 194 nothing but ma option E. Option E ma 194. Right ma. Next. 2, 8, 9, 21, 16, 34, 23 ma. Here ma alternate ma. 7 gap, 7 gap, 7 gap ma. 8 to 6, 8 to 21 ma. 8 to 21 ma, nothing but 13 gap. 21 to 34 ma, 13 gap. So here also 13 gap ma. 34 plus 13 ma, 47. Nothing but ma option C. Alternate ma, alternate. Next. 48, 23, 4.25, 1.125 ma. Here ma, if you observe from back, 23 into 2 ma, 46 plus 2. It is ma into 2 plus 2. It is also 1.125 into 2 ma, 2.5, 2.5 plus 2. That means into 2 plus 2 ma from back. So it should be into 2 plus 2 ma. 4.25 into 2 ma, 8.5 plus 2, 10.5. So it is ma 10.5. Option A ma, 10.5 ma, option A. Next. What should come in the place of the question mark ma? In the place of question mark ma, what you will get ma? Here ma 0.7 whole power 43, 0.4, 0.49 take it as ma 0.7 whole square. 2 into 18 ma 36 ma. So 43 by undi kabatti minus ma. 43 minus 36 ma, nothing but 7 will balance ma. It is ma 0.7 whole power 7 into nothing but 0.7 whole cube. When base are same power addition. 7 plus 3 ma 10. 10 and option B. Option B. Right pa. Next. Here ma 5824 square ma 576. 1/3 nothing but ma cubed root. Cubed root. Whenever last digit is 2 ma 8 we have to get ma. Remove this. 5 is nearly 1 cube ma. So that is 18. 45% of 840 ma. 45% minus 50% minus 1. 50% into 420 minus 42 ma. 20 both 22 both ma. 378. 370, 380, 396 minus ma. 576 minus 396 ma. 576 minus 396. 180. Here ma 20% of 180 nothing but ma 36. 20% 180 nothing but ma 36. 676 minus 36 ma 676 minus 36 nothing but ma 40. This value ma 640. 703 by 19 ma 19 3 is 57. 60 ma 133 133 to 19 sevens. 37 into 3 ma 90 plus 21 ma triple one. Triple one becomes minus 529 with square ma 23 square. 84% of 1300 ma nothing but 84 threes ma 84 threes ma 240 252. It is 252. 1369 is a with square. 30 square is 9 square. 35 square ma 1225. Last it is 9 ma so 37 ma 37 into 4 ma it is 37 into 4 ma that's 7 into 4 ma 120 148. Root 121 nothing but ma 11. If you cancel with 11 ma 11 twos 27 ma 11 twos 11 5 225 becomes minus 253 400 minus 225 ma nothing but 175. Option E. Next 12.5% 1 by 8. 1 by 8 of 240 ma nothing but 30. 37.5% nothing but 3 by 8 ma. This one ma we can take it as ma 3 by 8. 840 is 40 into 3 ma 120. 62.5 ma nothing but ma 5 by 8 is 5 by 8 ma 8 5s. 50 into 5 ma 250. So 250 350 370 400. Next ma 945 by 15 nothing but ma 15 6 are 15 3 63. 60% nothing but ma 12. 150% of 250 ma 100% plus 50 ma itself and half of that ma 250 plus 125 ma 375. 375 ma so 375 ma it is 85. Sorry 75 75 150 450 ma 1849 ma 1849 is the 43 square ma last it is 9 ma 43 square because 40 square ma 1600 ma 45 square ma 2025 so that is about 43 into 8 ma so 320 plus 24 ma 344. 10% nothing but ma 40. Here ma 7 1s 58 ma 7 8 ja 56 7 plus 184 becomes as ma minus 184. Minus 184 ma 384 minus 184 ma nothing but ma 200. 25% nothing but ma 1/4 that means ma 80. 50% ma that means ma 240. 20% nothing but ma 320 becomes minus 240 plus 80 ma 320 320 ma gets cancelled nothing will balance for 0 something where ma so 240 plus 80 ma 60 320 minus 320 ma 25% ma 1/4 180 sorry it is ma 180 sorry ma sorry 25% sorry 1/4 ma 180 so 240 340 420 minus 320 ma 100. Option D ma option D right ma 69 to 73 ma study the bar graph ma the number of male and female probationary officers in various banks ma thousands ma data given in ma thousand that should be careful ma data given in ma thousands ma right ma now what is the total number of employees in the given 5 banks? What is the total number of employees? All together asking ma, entire values ma. Just add all the values ma. 8 plus 9 plus 17, 20, 24, 29, 35, 42, 48, 53, 60 ma. 60 option A. Basic addition ma. Next. What is the ratio of the male to female probation officers in all 6 banks ma? Ratio of male to female ma. If you take the male ma, male 8 plus 3 ma 11 16 23 28 ma this is 28 ma that should be 32 because just now we added ma 60 ma it is 28 and balance ma 32 so 4 sevens 4 eights ma 7 8. Next in HDFC 40% males 30% females are unmarried. What is the ratio of the married male to female in HDFC ma? So HDFC male 5 ma, in that 40% vanish, balance 60% ma. 60% is nothing but ma 3. 3. Maybe option D chances will be there ma. Next, females 6 low, 30% finish ma. 30% into balance 70%, nothing but 4.2. So if we remove the decimal ma, we can take ma 10. So we can cancel ma 6 5s, 6 7s ma. 5 is to 7, nothing but ma option B. Option B ma 5 is to 7. Next, 72. If the number of married male probation officers in ICICI is equal to the PNB, PNB, which is 40% of male probation officers of PNB ma. So he was talking about ma married of ICICI, 40% of male of PNB, PNB male 7. In that 40 percentage ma nothing but ma 2.8. This 2.8 is equals to the 2.8 equal to ICICI male married ma, the proportion of male married male ma. So in this ma 2.8 married. And what is the percentage of married male professional officers of ICICI with respect to the total number of professional officers in ICICI? So that 2.8 is what percent of total professors, professional officers of ICICI? 7 plus 5 ma 12. 2.8 by 12 into 100 ma. Remove that ma 6. 26, 25 ma. 6 4s 24 ma. Nearly ma all the options ma very close to that ma. 5 4s are 20, 23, 23 means option E. Option E ma 23.33 approximately. Next, the male probationary officers of PNB is what percent more than the female of BOI ma. Male of PNB nothing but ma 7, and female of BOI ma, 4. How much more ma? 3 more compared to 4 ma. So 3 by 4 into 3/4 nothing but ma 75%. 75% more. 74th ma x square minus 4 root 3x plus 9 equals 0, and second equation of y square minus root 3 y. This root is applicable up to 3 only, not for x ma. Here also not for y, only for number only, not for variables ma. So why not this kind of models ma? Here nothing there means ma 1 with there, we know that 1 into 9 how much ma 9 by whatever the term inside the root ma divide with that ma. So 9 by 3 nothing but ma 3. For that 3 we should observe ma. By doing the addition or subtraction ma, we have to get ma 4. By multiplication ma, we have to get ma 3. So 3 1s are 3 ma. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. But we have to get the minus 4 ma, minus 3 minus 1. Join the root 3 ma. So x values are positive 3 root 3 and positive 1 root 3. There is no coefficient. Next ma 18 ma minus 18 by 3 nothing but ma 6. By multiplying we have to get ma 6 ma. By doing addition or subtraction we have to get ma 3. So here ma we have to get ma nothing, sorry, in nothing there means ma 1 will be there ma. 1 will be there ma. So by multiplying we have to get the 6 ma. By doing addition or subtraction we have to get the 1 ma. So 3 2 is 6 ma. 3 2 is 6. 3 and 2 suitable, but we have to get ma minus 1 ma. So it is minus 3 plus ma. Join the root 3. So y values ma 3 root 3 and minus 2 root 3 ma. 3 root 3 and minus 2 root 3 ma. So 3 root 3, 3 root 3 ma both are equal. 3 root 3 is compared to negative value greater only. 1 root 3 ma lesser ma. Greater equal lesser ma. So relation cannot be established. Relation cannot be established. Nothing but ma option E ma. Option E ma, relation cannot be established. Right ma. Next. 20 ma 4 5 minus 4 minus 5 nothing but x equals to 4 comma 5. 28 2 ma 56 7 8 ma 7 by 2 and 8 by 2 ma. 7 by 2 3.5, 8 by 2 ma 4. So 4 compared to 3 and half ma greater as well as equal. 5 anyway greater ma. So x is greater than or equals to y. Nothing but ma c. X is greater than or equals to y ma, nothing but c. Next ma. Minus 20 ma minus 20 we can get ma 4 5 20 ma, minus 5 plus 4, nothing but x values ma, 5 and minus 4. 6 5 30 ma, 6 minus 5 and y values minus 6 plus 5, minus 6 and plus 5 ma. 5 compared to minus 6 ma, greater compared to 5 ma, equal, greater and equal, minus 4 and minus 6 ma, greater and lesser ma. So whenever greater and lesser ma, relation cannot be established. Option E ma, relation cannot be established. Next ma, here ma, 18 3 6 18 ma, minus 3 minus 6, nothing but x equals to 3 and 6, 3 and 6 ma. 36 ma, 36 by 2, nothing but ma 18. By multiplication ma, we have to get the 18. By doing addition or subtraction ma, we have to get the this 9 ma, this 9. 3 6 ma 18, minus 3 minus 6 ma, minus 3 minus 6, join the root 2, root 2 root 2, that means y values 3 root 2 and 6 root 2 ma. Y values ma 3 root 2 and 6 root 2, by coefficient is not there ma. So 3 is compared to 3 root 2 ma lesser, compared to 6 root 2 also lesser. 6 is compared to 3 root 2 ma greater, because there is 1.1 is greater. Whenever one lesser one greater ma, we can't see the relation. Relation cannot be established. Nothing but ma option E ma. Option E ma, relation cannot be established. Right ma. Next. X square minus 9 equals 0, nothing but x square equal 9 ma, x equal plus or minus 3, x equal plus 3 or minus 3 ma. 21 2s 42 ma, 6 7s ma, minus 6 and minus 7, minus 6 by 2, nothing but minus 3, minus 7 by 2, nothing but minus 3.5. So plus is compared to both ma, greater only. Minus 3 and minus 3 equal and greater ma. So x is greater than or equals to y. X greater than or equals to y, nothing but ma option C. Option C ma. Right ma. Next ma. There are two taps A and B, fill up water tank. The tank can be filled in 40 minutes if both the taps are on ma. Whenever both are working ma, the tank will be filled in 40 minutes. The same tank can be filled by 60 minutes when A alone. Whenever A alone ma, 60 minutes ma. How much time B alone ma? So A and B whenever combinedly there ma, it can take 40 minutes. When A alone ma, it can take ma 60 minutes. Question asking when B alone ma. How much time will B alone ma? 40 60 LCM ma 120. So total capacity or total work is 120 units per 3 times 2. Combinedly filling ma 3 units. In that A was filling ma 2 units. And B was filling ma 1 unit ma. Combined ga 3 chase A 2 chase ma. And obviously B was filling only 1 unit ma. 120 by 1, nothing but ma 120 minutes. Option D ma. Option D 120 minutes ma. Next. In a mixture of 60 liters, the ratio of milk and water ma 2 is to 1. So milk and water ma 2 is to nothing but 3 parts 60 ma 1 part is 20, 20 40. Initial. What quantity of water should be added so that the ratio 1 is to 3 ma? How much water should be added to make the ratio ma 1 is to 3? That means we no need to add the milk ma, water only adding ma. So milk quantity is same. So 1 part is equals to 40. Then 3 parts will be 120. So this entire we have to get ma 120. Already 20 is here ma. So we should add ma 100 liters ma. 100 liters, nothing but ma option B. Option B ma 100 liters. Right ma.